Cabinet has approved $308 million to facilitate the implementation of various measures to alleviate the current drought. Minister without portfolio with responsibility for water and housing, Daryl Vaz, gave a breakdown of how the money will be spent when he addressed Parliament today.
The House was told $63 million will be shared equally among the 63 MPs to provide black tanks and to truck water. The National Water Commission will be allocated $100 million for the trucking of water island-wide, while the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development will be allocated $75 million to provide additional water shops and for the trucking of water. So what's being done differently this year? The minister pointed to the installation of wayside tanks and loading bays. The Rural Water Supply Limited has been allocated $70 million to undertake this project.
The 130 wayside tanks will be installed throughout the island in all parishes. If you average it out, Mr. Speaker, it will come to 10, approximately 10 in each parish. In each parish. The sizes will vary depending on the particular area. The 39 loading bays will be installed, which is approximately an average of 3 in each parish. Installation costs in the 13 parishes is $10.8 million.
But there's concern that the money allocated to MPs is not enough.
Minister, Manchester, as you know, is unique. 90% of the population lives above 2,000 feet elevation, and the two major water supplies are in Porous and Pepper. So the cost of trucking water in Manchester is prohibitive, particularly relative to most other parishes. So I really ask you to look at $1 million in terms of the volume of water delivered in Manchester is a joke.
Concern also about the effectiveness of the NWC. This even as the minister sought to highlight projects done since 2016 aimed at ensuring citizens have access to potable water.
Will the minister kindly say what steps are being taken to increase the supplies of water into the corporate area, particularly having regard to some of these 6 and 8 and 9 story buildings that are being made and where, when they are served, cause the diminution of supply to the inner city? That's the first question. Secondly, Mr. Speaker, will the minister acknowledge that what he has been fielding here is perfectly understandable issues of operation? Is the minister confident that he has a board and a bureaucracy in the Water Commission that can deal with the extent and density of the problems that we are facing?
The MPs also expressed frustration that little has happened since last year's drought in terms of water improvement. The minister promised to respond to some of the concerns another time.